The share market is gambling. You'll lose all your money in the stock market. You can get rich quick in the stock market. Stock market success is all about luck. Hi, friends. We've all heard these statements at some point, haven't we? These are the kinds of beliefs that float around in our society, shaping how people think about the stock market. But are these statements absolutely right or wrong? Don't rush to answer just yet. By the end of this video, you'll have your own answer. I am your friend, someone who has been deeply involved in the share market for the past few years. And let me tell you this, if you approach it with the right mindset, loss in the share market is nearly impossible in the long run. Today, I want to share a personal experience with you, a story that really highlights why the share market is so much more than just gambling, and why I'm so passionate about it. A few days ago, I was on an overnight train, heading home after a long day at work. The train was chugging along, and the sun was setting, giving everything a nice, peaceful vibe. I found my seat, opened my laptop, and got to work on some pending tasks. As I was working, I noticed a group of young passengers nearby, full of energy, chatting away about their careers, the latest news, and their favorite games. It was refreshing to hear their excitement and ideas. But then, the conversation took a turn that caught my attention. One of them, with a confident voice, said, "You know, the share market? It's nothing but gambling." And that was it. I couldn't stay quiet. I closed my laptop, leaned forward, and said, "Excuse me, I couldn't help but overhear your conversation. Did you just say the share market is like gambling?" They looked at me, surprised, and nodded. That's when I felt compelled to share my journey with them. I told them, the share market isn't a place where you just throw in your money and hope for the best. It's a place where knowledge, strategy, and discipline can lead to significant success over time. The real issue is that many people think of it as gambling because they simply don't understand how it works. They turned to me, curious. I continued, "It's like driving a car. If you don't know how to drive, it's dangerous, but if you learn and follow the rules, it's safe and very, very useful." I went on to explain that I've been trading and investing in the share market for several years now. It's more than just a hobby for me, it's my passion. I've spent countless hours learning, taking courses, reading books, and most importantly, staying disciplined. So, when I hear someone dismiss the market as mere gambling, it's hard for me to stay quiet. It's like having a friend, let's call him Mr. X, who has always been there for you, loyal and dependable. Imagine someone badmouthing Mr. X behind his back, spreading false rumors. Would you just sit there and say nothing? No. You'd stand up for your friend, right? That's exactly how I felt on that train. So, I broke it down for them, step by step, sharing examples and stories from my own experience. I explained that making consistent profits in the share market is entirely possible if you are willing to learn and approach it with the right mindset. It's not a game of chance, it's about making informed decisions based on knowledge and analysis. As our conversation went on, I could see their perspectives starting to shift. What began as skepticism turned into curiosity and respect. And that's when it hit me. There are so many people out there who misunderstand the share market. That's why I'm here, starting this channel, to share my knowledge with all of you. I've created this channel, Towards Samriddhi, to help you break down these myths and guide you on how to make informed, profitable decisions in the share market. I'm going to share everything I've learned over the years, completely free, so you too can embark on this journey towards financial prosperity. So, if you are interested in learning more about the share market and want to move from misconception to mastery, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's work towards Samriddhi, prosperity, together. Get ready for a series of genuine, informative content packed with real-world experiences. We'll focus on practical applications that you can actually use, rather than just dry textbook definitions. Thank you for listening to my story. I can't wait to share more with you in the upcoming videos.